here is how you can find out or get to know any HTTP headers for any domain name. So what you need to do is simply visit the link which is in the description and simply enter in any link here, okay, and simply click on submit. So remember, it has to be a URL by adding the HTTP protocol. So what you need to do is type in HTTP, okay, okay, like this, and simply click on submit and wait for it loads. And these are HTTP, and as you can see, the code is 200, meaning this website is accessible, and the server being used is Jinx, okay, and the date, the content type, and all these other details might be useful if you need them. So remember, the link is in the description. Bye for now.